everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time, my name is Jessica. I'm a YouTuber and my channel is just all about hair. I make braids, I make wigs, I make weaves, so anything about hair, that's what my channel is all about. Please subscribe to my channel, please, and God bless you. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, so today's video is going to be all about twist wig. Like we're going to make twists, and I'm going to use this hair expression. I'm going to use this. This is the color I'm going to use, and I'm not going to cut it. I want it to be like long, full length twist. I actually have 5 of this. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth, and this is the 5th one. So I'm using 5 expression bundles to make this hair. And I actually have this. I bought from Amazon. I bought this hair from Amazon. This closure. I'm going to use this closure. Oh, I like the texture of this hair. Wow, it's beautiful. Ooh, nice texture. I actually bought this from Amazon, and I'm going to use this as my closure. This is my closure. So let's start the video without wasting any much time. Okay, the first thing I have to do is stretch the tip of this hair out. And we're going to stretch this tip out. So you have something like this. You can see it's very tiny on the tip. We just have to stretch it out. So that's the first thing. In any braids, if you want to make braids, the first thing you have to do is just take it out. So let's do that right now. We're going to do haul like this. Since I'm not going to cut it, so I'm going to go straight away to stretch out the tip. So let's go. Let me show you how we do it. I'm going to take it like this, like this, and boom, stretch it out like this. That's what you have to do. You just have to boom, boom, boom. You need to straighten it out. You can see this, it comes to be like this. So let's go. So I've actually stretching this one out. I've stretching this. The next step I have to do is attach my closure to this is my mannequin, and this is the front part. So this has to be in the middle. This is the middle right now. So all we have to do is just put this. I like to put mine just very close here, like this. And then we use our pin to attach it. Let's go. We're going to use our thread and needle to attach this closure to the net. So I've attached my closure to my net. You can see it's tightly secured. So the next thing we have to do is we have to do some line at this back here. We do some line where we have to put our braids. So I want to start from here. I don't want to start from here. I like to start mine. So I'm going to put like this, like this. Let's start from here, 2, 3, let's go. I actually fix thread on my chair. I take this quantity because I don't want it to be too big and I don't want it to be too small. So then I'll fix it like this. I'll pass it over my thread and flip it over, put this side inside and bring it out. Very easy. I've actually fixed my extension to my thread. No, I think the next stage is I need to twist the hair. When you want to do this, you will need oil. Oil is essential to making your braids, and the best oil to use is baby oil. So you need oil. You need oil to make this braid. Now, what you have to do to make your twist, you have to divide your hair into 2. It's very easy. Just divide it into 2 and make this like this with your 2 fingers. You just like turn it, like twist it and take it to this side, hold it with this side, bring the other out, twist it, turn it. It's a continuous process. You twist it like this and you turn it, and you twist, you turn it. This is the first part. I've done this. I've twisted the braids, the hair. Now I have to transfer. This part from here to my net. So let's transfer it, and I'll be using thread and needle to sew it in. Okay guys, so this is where I am so far. This one I've actually, the twist here the twist here I just don't bundle, expression bundle, and I've actually done this one here. I've done this. All these ones you see here, the twist here are 2 expression bundles, which I'm going to use to cover this part of the hair wig, of the head or the wig, which I'm going to use to cover this part. Like I told you, I'm going to use like 5 expression bundles. I still have 2 here, so this is 1, this is 2. I still have 2 here that I am going to use to make the closure. I like like I told you before, I like quantity. I just like quantity. If you want your wig to stand out or you want your twist to make sense, then I think you need quantity. But if you're the kind that don't like quantity, then I think 4 expression borders will be enough. So to make this hair, you need 4 or 5 expression borders. So guys, I have finished this hair. It took me a long time to do it, but at the end I have finished it. This is the length. This is what it looks like right now. Ooh, very long, like extremely long. Let me show you what it looks like. The front. This is what it looks like. It came out very beautiful. I love this hair. It looks nice. So the last stage is the hot water section. I have to like put the hot water on the tip of on this part of the hair. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like on me. Wow, this hair is long. Ooh, it's long, like it's extremely long. And I like the color as well. It's beautiful. I'm going to cut the net off right now. I think I have to take this net off. So anyway, this is how it looks like on me. It looks beautiful. Okay guys, I have finally finished this hair. Like, check this hair hat. It looks beautiful. Like, it looks extremely beautiful. Although it's very long, and if you want to make this hair, you need a lot of time. I actually spent a lot of time making this hair, but at the end of the day, it's worth it, guys. Like, check it out. Check this hair out. This hair looks beautiful. So let me know in the comment section if you're going to make this hair for yourself. Like, this hair will make you stand out in public. This kind of hair will make you stand out in public. Like, this is beautiful. And thank you for watching my video. Please, darlings, if you have not subscribed, like, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe to my channel. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye.